Yeah, my name's Mick Morrell and I'm the owner of Star Steel Processing. We started this company in 2006. When we bought our first Python in 2011, that was for our own processing for our fabrication shop. After we had that Python for a few years, outside people started to want us to process for them. So we started processing outside as well as continuing our fabrication. But then it came to a point where we were getting more inquiries for outside processing, so we decided just to stop all the fabrication and go processing only. I went around the world a little bit and looked at other machines. I went around the country and New Zealand as well as Europe. Well, at that time there was probably 4 main players.
So our first Python was purchased in 2011 and we've had that for 6 years, and then we decided to purchase a PythonX 2, which is the next iteration of the PythonX.
People want quality. We've always wanted the end result to be as good as it can be, the best it can be. There's still nothing that matches the quality of the Python cut, and that's what it's all about.
The accuracy of the PythonX is unmatched. Cannot be compared to a traditional fabricator, and even many machines on the market. Just the measuring system alone allows any length beam to be accurate within 0.1 of a mil. It has been very, very accurate.
When we first got the machine, as fabricators, we would check everything, like we would normally do. Things come off the saw, we'd check length and all that sort of stuff. And we found after a couple of weeks and then months, we just didn't really have to. We'd go every fifth shaft, we'd check for length and stuff like that. And it's to the mill. It's just pretty much to the mill. The holes are quite true.
We reduced fabricating time drastically.
The PythonX, we worked out a few years ago, does the work of about 10 to 12 men.
From a fabricator's point of view, it's been really good. It's made things a lot easier for us, a lot easier. Took a lot of the workload off of us and just allowed things to be a lot more relaxed, I suppose, and a lot more easier for us, I suppose, yeah.
I've always liked technology, even though I'm a bit of a old school. The world in general, I mean, it's all going to be technology. It is now, and the steel industry's probably still lagging behind a little bit, but it's catching up very quickly. The thing I like about it, the Python of course, is the repeatability that you get. You'll never get with a human hand cutting material. The fit up when you go to fit parts up compared to a man cutting it with the oxy or by hand with plasma. You know, you're either grinding things back to make them fit, or you're filling up X amount of weld with gaps. The fit is always whatever you draw it, and that's what's going to cut it at. And if it's drawn properly, and it's going to fit.
In 7 years of PythonX production, we have never had any machine errors.
And I know a lot of machines that we've had over the years that have cut wrong because of the machine. But the Python has never cut anything wrong, ever.
It's definitely been a good decision to stick with PythonX. There are many other machines on the market, but at the end of the day, we've always kept coming back to PythonX.
I don't believe there's any other machine that can cut as accurately and clean as the Python, and I still believe that today.